In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and correct spelling in Acrobat Web using Chrome. To get started, open your document in Acrobat Web directly within the Chrome browser. Make sure the file is fully loaded before you begin, so the editing tools respond smoothly and the text becomes selectable. This is important because spell check suggestions will only be useful once the document is active and ready for editing. Once your document is open, go to the main editing controls and click the primary edit panel icon to turn on editing mode. This step unlocks the text interaction tools you need. If you don't activate edit mode first, you may be able to view the document, but you won't have access to the text areas in a way that allows spelling corrections. After that, click inside any text area that is currently active. You want to place your cursor directly into the text block where the words appear. When you do this, Acrobat Web recognizes that you're working with editable content, and that allows spelling indicators to appear more clearly. If the text does not seem selectable right away, click once more inside the same text block and give the interface a moment to respond. Now start looking through the text carefully for red squiggly underlines. These underlines are the visual signal that a word may be misspelled. As you review the page, move through each text section slowly so you don't miss anything. Keep in mind that not every underlined word is necessarily wrong. Sometimes product names, technical terms, abbreviations, or industry-specific language can also trigger a spelling alert, so it's always a good idea to check the context before making a change. When you find a word with a red underline, right-click directly on that marked word or error line. A list of suggested corrections should appear. From there, choose the correction that best matches the intended meaning of the sentence. This is the fastest way to clean up obvious spelling mistakes without retyping the text manually. If none of the suggestions are correct, just leave the word as it is for the moment and continue reviewing the rest of the document carefully. As you go, repeat this process for each underlined word until you've checked the full document, taking a slow, deliberate approach